Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can make corrections of the eyes and contour in Photoshop app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Photoshop. So I'm going to click on this. Let's click on this. As you can see, after clicking on it, we have to wait 50 seconds. So I'm going to click on the no, and let's click on this. And after clicking on this, we have to wait 50 seconds. You will be redirected to the editing mode. It's up to your device configuration. If your device is good, it will be done faster. So as you can see, now we have to scroll this, and after scrolling this, as you can see, you will be able to see the face option here. So we have to click on the face option. Now the face width, lips, and all options are provided here. If you want to use them, you can also do it. Simply we have to go to the eyes section. So as you can see, has the eyes section. So let's click on this. In the eyes section, these two options are free, and if you want to use these three other options like the width, height, distance, you need a premium one. So I'm going to click on the tilt, and for example, let's zoom this and see that it does it work or not. So we have to zoom it, and now I'm going to, as you can see, let's see the size, and now again I'm zooming this and keep this here. As you can see, now that it is working. So as you can see, till is here because the picture has the glasses, and that's why we are not getting the clear result. Let's click on the size, and if you want to increase the size, as you can see, the size is also getting increased. If you have to focus on this, and you will be able to see the result as well. And now I'm going to contour section. As you can see, as the first option is a jawline. So let's increase this. As you can see, it will increase like this. If you want to decrease this, you can also do that. As you can see, it look like this, and if you increase this, it will look like this. So in this way you can use it, and the chin option is also provided. If you want to increase this, it will work, and if I decrease this, it will work like this. So in this way you can use these both options. Others are premium ones. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use these both options in Photoshop app. So see you guys in the next video.